How to change the cargo type of a driver in FMS. Begin by logging into the Fleet Management System, FMS, for seamless access. Click on Drivers to access the options. Under Drivers, select Drivers option to change the cargo type. The active list shows drivers active in the last 7 days. The inactive list displays drivers inactive during the last 7 days. Click on the Edit icon for the driver you need to make changes for, found under the Action column. Click on Cycle Info. You can now select the desired cargo type for the driver from the drop-down list. Ensure the driver is online on the TruckX driver's logbook app to make these changes. Once the cargo type is selected, click on Save. The cargo type will be changed and updated for the driver.